Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the speaker isn't working on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So first of all, try adjusting your sound volume levels using the volume keys, and open the sound mixer and increase the sound volume for the media that you are playing on your tablet. As you can see here, we have three separate columns for each type of media: notification, media, and alarm. And make sure that your type is active. And also, if this won't help you, try cleaning the speaker grill on both sides of your tablet using a soft brush. And do not use any metallic tools to do that. Just carefully unclog it using a soft brush. And after that, if this won't help, try checking for software updates by going to Settings, then System Update, and check if you have any updates for your tablet. By the way, make sure to connect to the internet before you do that. And to outrule any possible third-party interference, we're gonna have to restart our tablet into the safe mode and check the sound there. To do that, hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, then select power off and confirm, and wait for a couple of seconds. And after your tablet is turned off, you're gonna have to hold down the power button once again, and then after 3 seconds of the initial logo, start holding down the volume down key. And once you see the safe mode indicator on your screen, that means that your tablet is right now in the safe mode. And here, check the sound once again, and if the speakers are still not working, then this probably means a hardware issue, and in such case you're gonna have to reach out to NUBIA or ZTE customer support service and tell them about this issue, and probably you're gonna have to get your tablet repaired. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.